Hi dear friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. In today's video, we're gonna work on two-letter words. In the previous video, we have worked on the middle sound of A. If you have not watched that video, I would highly recommend to go back and watch that video. This is the second video in that series where the middle sound is O. Let's get started. B, O. What sound O makes, my dear friends? O, O, B, O. Ba, ka, o, ka, da, o, da, f, o, fa, ga, o, ga, ha, o, ha, o, ma, o, na, pa, o, pa, r, o, ra, s, o, sa, j, o, ja. Let's try a couple of more sounds. I'm gonna make a star and we're gonna try that particular one. Let's try this one. O, ma, da, o, da, s, o, saw. Very good job. I am sure you all have got a good understanding of this concept. So our next task would be we're gonna have a ending sound along with these two-letter words to try and make it a word. There will be some cases where these words will not mean anything, but it's completely okay. As of now, we are just learning how to read a word. Let's get started. Bought, bought. Caught, caught. What, what. Fought, fought. Got, got. Hot, hot. Mott, mott. Not, not. Pot, pot. Rot, rot. Sort, sort. In order to read and try these three-letter words, we have to make sure that we practice the previous slide a couple number of times so that we are able to join the first two sounds. Now let's try reading these three-letter words one more time and make mommy and daddy super proud. And before that, we have to make sure that we understand this. This time, I will not try and make the phonics sounds. I will try to read the word itself. Let's start. Bought, caught, what, fought, got, hot, mott, not, hot, rot, sort. Wow, look at you guys. You guys are already reading. Good job. It's time to pat our backs and feel proud of our efforts. Very good job, my dear friends. Let's try and read another family that has the ending sound of D. What sound does D makes? Duh, duh. Bod, bod. Cod, cod. Wad, wad. Mod, mod. God, god. Hod, hod. Sawd, sawed. Nod, nod. Pod, pod. Let's try and read them one more time without making the sounds and trying to read the whole word. Bod, cod, wad, mod, god, hod, sawed, nod, pod. Wow, look at that. An amazing job by all my dear friends. I am very sure By this time you are jumping because you are not only reading but reading with so much confidence. Good job, let's get going. This slide has the ending sound of G. The sound G makes is G, G. Bog, bog. Cog, cog. Vog, vog. Mog, mog. Gog, gog. Hog, hog. Sog, sog. Nog, nog. Pog, pog. One more time without saying the phonics sound. Let's try. Bog, cog, vog, mog, gog, hog, sog, nog, pog. Look at that. Look at these little rock stars who are reading by now. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Bye-bye.